Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Moonlight Moon. Lisa here. Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the August unboxing, so keep on watching. We're going to be doing the usual unboxing of Glossybox and a Birchbox. I'm going to unbox the box that came first, which was Birchbox. Box looks nice. This month's theme is Love Your Club. It says, hello Birchboxers. This August, we are celebrating International Female Orgasm Day because pampering yourself starts with feeling great about yourself, both inside and out. Remember, you are the love of your life. Don't forget that. The first item is VQ Pineapple Serum. This retails for £18. This is a travel size. And it says, get glowing with this lightweight hydrating serum made from pineapple extract. What's more, antioxidant, multi-manicure hydrochloric acid, vitamin B5, and golden light reflection will leave your skin hydrated and dewy. And this is cruelty free and it's vegan. Next is Real Hair Goddess Highlighter. It says your summer glow is finally here thanks to the high quality silky formulation of this power highlighter. Cheat a golden hour glow with this glided golden shade. Best apply with a brush on all the high points of your face, particularly the tops of your cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow. This was the one that you had to choose what shade you want. Packaging looks very nice. It's got a mirror and a protector. It's like a golden bronze highlighter. As you know, I have a lot of highlighters. This probably will be given to someone. Next item is by Farmer's Coconut Protein Packed Hair Mask. This retails for £2.49. Summer strands in need of a little TLC. This deep conditioning protein pack is an intensive hydrating treatment that helps strengthen and nurture weak or damaged hair. It contains straight fair coconut oil and keratin protein to deeply hydrate, smooth, and give shine to your lock. I've used Palmer's deep conditioner before, the protein packs, and it was quite good. No sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, no gluten, no dyes. Mantan, and this is the travel size. The full size retails for $17.99. Invisible color lotion, combining the hydrating power of a moisturizer with a hint of color. Massage this body lotion all over to give your skin a touch of golden sun. Perfect for beginners and pro alike. It's natural looking, meaning no more streaky disaster. Last item is by Lord & Berry Liner or Shade Glam Pencil in gold or bronze. And it's a full size, and this retails for £10. Liner can transfer the way your eyes look in an instant. This Birchbox favorite glides on like a dream, no matter your level of expert. Rich in pigment and ultra blendable, it can also be smudged out for a gorgeously soft, smoky effect. I'm not a fan of Lord & Berry products. I don't know why we keep getting them. This is not something I would use. I'll use the hair conditioner and the serum, and the highlighter I'm giving away. So these three I'm giving away. So all I get to keep is these two. So that's that from Birchbox. Next item to unbox is Glossybox, and this is their birthday box. That's why it's got the bow and the pink covering. I can't say nothing about it. It's cute. So there's the birthday edition, and they gave us like a big book telling us about the product and also telling us about their skincare product. Because the bowl was on the outside of the box, they didn't put a bow inside. First item is Molten Brown London Gorgeous Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. I've heard so much about these products. I've smelled it, but I've never tried it. It's a deluxe mini, which is 100 mils, retails for £7. Full size retails for £22. We're gonna have a little smell because I love the smell of rhubarb. It smells really good. We want you to feel like royalty on our birthday. British Royal Warrant holders. Water Brown Shower Gel, burst of luxurious blend of rhubarb, leaf, rose, and zesty grapefruit that smells divine, which does. Trust us, this luxurious formula will leave your skin feeling cleansed and irresistibly fragrant. Apply onto wet skin using a loofah or pour onto a warm bath and enjoy a relaxing soak. Brushworks HD Wonder Complexion Sponge. This retails for £5.49. It says, celebrating our birthday, we're giving you the tool to create the ultimate party look. A 3-in-1 makeup sponge, perfect for applying foundation, concealer, contour, and highlighter. You can use the rounded side to cover large areas and the flat side to cover imperfections, and the point to reach small areas with precision. Simply dump it to apply liquid or use dry to apply creams and powders. Feel it. It doesn't feel as soft as Beauty Blender. If you've used a Beauty Blender before, it feels like Real Techniques sponge. It looks a bit like it as well. So you can kind of say that it's a dupe of Real Techniques. I like having complexion sponges. So it's latex free, which is awesome. So if you're allergic to latex like I am, well, you can get yourself this so you don't break out like I do. By Steve Laurent, and this is the Vogue lip liner. Throughout our birthday month, we want you to enjoy yourselves without having to worry about touching up your makeup. Luckily, this magic lip pencil is completely waterproof, so it doesn't transfer or bleed throughout the day. Instead, it stays put for up to 7 hours. Use it to shape and define your lip contour, then fill in your pout with a slightly light shade of lipstick. This retails for £12.9 and it's a full size. Glossybox with lip liners are just, I feel like it's a fail all the time. Just gonna do like a little swatch. It looks more like pinkish mauvish shade. I don't know what to think about it right now, so we move. Item is by Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. Retails for £18. It wouldn't be a glossy party without Huda Beauty. This creamy lippy burst of a luxurious, highly pigmented formula that glides effortlessly onto your lips, adding an intense shot of color to your pout. It then dries to a satin finish, creating a sheen on your lips that enhances your natural shade. Simply line your lips, apply your lipstick, then blot it with a tissue for a beautiful stained effect. This is in the shade Passionista. It's like a dark plummy purple. Looks quite pink, my type of shade. 10 shades that you can get any of the 10 shades. So I got Fashionista. Last item in the box is Glossybox Skincare Eye Boost Cream, and this says, proudly introducing the luxurious eye cream from our newly launched Glossybox skincare range. More on that in this magazine. You're the first to try this product and it's our special gift to you. Its indulgent formula blends elderflower, eye bright, and red seaweed extract to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles and refresh the tired looking eyes. We hope you love it as much as we do. This retails for £20, but for exclusive subscribers you can buy this for £16. Cruelty free and vegan. Also, just to let you know that their skincare line has like a dry skin, they have oily skin, and then they have sensitive skin. So you can pick your own skin conditions. It says apply 3 dots to the eye area. My hands is full of colors. Feels very soothing. I just finished my eye gel that I got, I think, the beginning of this year, no, last year, with a brand that I was working with, but I didn't want to talk about it. I will be using this and I will review it and let you know how it goes, and if you want to purchase it, you can purchase it. Glossybox is started skincare line, so that's everything that is selling their skincare. Selling cleansers, moisturizers, deep cleansers, night serums, hydration mist, eye boost, micellar gel cleanser. A sneak peek for September will be Advanced Skincare, which is worth £89. I think I've got that product before. That's everything that I got in the August Glossybox and Birchbox. I can't believe the year has flown with all the drama that's going on in the world and this coronavirus. Like, we literally have been at home for like 4, 5, 10 months. We're totally over it now. So the year is nearly about to end. I can't wait for this year to just end already so we can go to 2021. Hopefully it's a good year, no drama, no debts, fingers crossed. Have a nice day and enjoy the rest of your summer wherever you are. Be safe, take care, bye.